Hey guys, this is LT Online. We're back with another episode. I have some more parts for my motorcycle that we're going to install. I've got the tapered seat chop for our motorcycle with a new seat, and I got a new chain guard for it as well. And then we're going to go ahead and see how it looks, and hopefully we can get that exhaust in pretty soon and do the same thing for that. So here's a look at everything unbagged here. So you've got the end piece, LED, license plate holder. This is going to be installed on there to hold the LED for your new light, all your hardware here. And this is going to be the piece that holds it to your bike there. So that's going to mount up to this and also to your motorcycle. And we've got the chain guard and the seat here from MK Designs. I was kind of hoping to get the diamond seat, but this one should be fine. Not too worried about it. Still going to look super sweet once it's all done, put together. Getting started, we're going to go ahead and take off this whole tail light. Needs to come off here, and then this back fender needs to come off so that we can make our chop probably somewhere right around here to put the new frame end in. Okay, so we got the back end all taken apart here, so it's just the frame now. So we'll go ahead and look into finding out where exactly we need to chop this. Going forward with that, we just have one more piece to install here, and then it's all going to come together pretty easily. I think the LED is plug and play, so it's going to plug directly into the harness that we have. So almost no wiring, hopefully, fingers crossed. Shouldn't have said anything, but yeah, now we're just going to get that on there, and it should be a pretty easy install. Let me show you how this plate goes on before we get this installed. Grab us one of these little markers here, and we're going to mark this up. Okay? Trusty grinder tool here. We're going to go ahead and use the cutoff wheel, chop that frame right where I marked it. I did go ahead and put down a little bit of painter's tape just to kind of help protect the frame and the paint from chipping while cutting. Also helps you make better cut because you got that tape on there. It's a nice straight surface. So we're going to go ahead and chop that, and then we'll install that seat. So we got that piece all painted up where we made the cut. It's fully installed, got all the hardware on it now, so we just need to go ahead and finish up the electrical. So pretty easy, should just be able to plug and play for the light, and that's going to give us our tail light and turn signals as well. After that, we'll go ahead and start working on the chain guard, and we'll get that all swapped out. Should be looking pretty nice after that. Alright, so I just got this wired up. So it is plug and play, I was not lying about that. It is not put together though. So you do have to route all these wires into their according holes. If I can help anybody by just getting a real detailed shot of this, then I would just be ecstatic. So go ahead and get a nice look at that. Let's let that sit there for a second. You guys can study that. That's going to be your correct wire alignments to have the brake light work, tail light, and then each blinker. So kind of just to walk you through here, you got your ground right there, bottom left, and then you got brake light, white one is tail light, and then your yellow and your green are your blinkers, left and right. And then obviously there's one orientation to the clip, so if you kind of just put that together, that should give you what you need to get this thing. Yeah, that was a pain to find all the information on that wiring, so just to let you guys get a good look at that. There you go. Okay, so now we're just going to remove the back on that, put it right here. Yeah, the bike seat is officially done. Got the license plate mounted. Let's check on the lights. Perfect. So we got everything tidied up back there. It's all spray painted. Got the wiring all done. The LED brake light is installed. Got the license plate holder installed. Had to do some minor modifications. I don't know if it necessarily fits an American license plate, so I did have to put some new holes in for that. Took me 2 seconds, real easy. And then, yeah, it's looking really good. I'll go ahead and show you guys around, let you see it.